video finds me out once again on the paddleboard, taking advantage of yet another calm wind and wave forecast, searching for moving fish. The seasonal mullet have arrived here in the Yucatan, and my hopes were high of finding some predatory fish. Stay tuned.
Buen dia. October 21st today. Winds are supposed to come up in a few days, so we need some October storms to clean up the water a little bit. It's still looking pretty good. Waves are 1.6 today. I should be able to sneak out here okay. Quick. Off we go. Well, getting calmer closer to shore. We got an offshore breeze today, and it's getting a little murky already though. So I think we'll change flies and blow back out. Well, it's not clear, but it's clear enough to see fish. I've been seeing some snapper and stuff, not big ones, but decent amount of. There's a muhara. Got something going on over here. Looks like tarpon almost, but they're not big enough to be tarpon. I got something else. Oh, they look like little tarpon. Huh. See the nervous water. Well, this is going to be a little exciting. Oh yeah, looks like little mini tarpon. Right here somewhere. Coming at me. What do we got here? They're not. Oh man, those are mackerel or something. Oh, they hit my fly. Shucks. Mackerel. No tarpon. That's okay. We're gonna find them again here. Well, I hope not. Oh, lady. These are school ladies, I think. That's why they look like little mini tarpon. I've hooked a ladyfish here. Oh, that's pretty fun. Uh-oh. Action. Take a line finally. All right. Okay. Only got my line off my paddle. There we go. Exciting. Anybody eat a ladyfish? I haven't. They're all down here still. Whole school's there. Oh, this is cool. Obviously you got sardines or something in here. Put that fly right back. Right down. How fun is that? The poor man's serpent. How cool is that? Wow. Wonderbar. Okay. Oh, I can hear him around me. Alright. Thank you, little Miss Lady. I'll do that all day long. Wonderbar. Got another. I got up to him again here. Okay. Oh. I'll come back and hit it again. Oh yeah. All right. Fun. I'm gonna find my entertainment for this morning here. Oh. Turned out to a beautiful morning. They're all with them still. That's cool. Well, if the ladyfish are feeding on something, maybe there'll be a jack crevalle hanging around here. Oh, they're still there. Bye to your partner. Sucked her right back again, man. These things are hungry. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They are feisty. How cool is that? Alright, let's try it again. 5-inch bait fish there. Wonderbar. And away she goes. No eyes, beat up, but it works. I got down the beach here, I got some real nervous water. See what's in there. It's coming my way too, which is awesome. They're behind me again. Mullet. That's what we got here. That's why the big preds are here. Definitely mullet coming here. That's why the cudas and the ladyfish can eat small mullet maybe. Well, the wind has come up. So that was a fun morning into the ladies. Good. Nothing like sight fishing. Let's see how the wind has come up pretty good. We're going to cut our losses and call it a day. Mañana.